Good evening everyone and welcome back to our live first ball para sa black or blue team. No good. Number 9, Pascual, no good. Basket is good. First basket para sa blue team. Number 6. Or 4-0 in favor of the blue team. Villarreal. Get the shot, no good. Pascual with the rebound and get the shot, we get the miss. Number 22. Thompson, no good. Number 61, floater, no good. Offensive rebound by number 23. Number 23, attacking the basket, using the glass. Basket is good by jersey number 23. Shot, no good. Number 1, no good. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. This is Devin on the line. 7 minutes and 43 seconds ang ating minuto. Number 23, out of bounds. Pass, basket by number 61. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Number 6. Pass na Pascual. Fade away shots. Nice walk by number 9. That is Pascual. Thompson for 3. Yes sir. Para sa 3. 4-9 ang ating score. Number 6. Pass to Pascual. Back-to-back basket para kay Pascual. 9-6. Jabansa. Knocks it down from the corner. No good. Sorry, that's the top of the key. Wala yun eh. Ayan na, number 23. Sa loob. Out of bounds. Time remaining 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Calling for a timeout. Official timeout tayo. And shout out Caprayan Siqueira for this wonderful Intercolor Barangay Maytunas Intercolor Basketball League 2025. Ayun na, nakakita ni ka pang mga trophies and a medal. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ngayong season sa Barangay Maytunas? Alright, back to the ball game. Gabasa, pass number 23. Floater, basket is good. Number 23. Tumira sa 3, no good. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng blue team. Rosano finds to Chongson. Oy! What a dipsy do! By number 61, shout out kay Ref. Hey. Grabe naman yun, number 61. Ni Yoyo sa ere. Pascual sa loob. Number 3, pass number 6. Steal. Out of bounds. There's a foul. Okay, mandatory substitution nata. Change 5. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Chongson with an inbound. Shout out muna. Ayun o.
Matawa sa laban, Mindoro.
Wala pa. Pass to Chongson. Rosano from elbow 3, no good. Rebound. Number 10. Del Real, crossover. Spin. Uy. Number 20, pass to Gura, steal by Chongson. Gabasa, 2 against 1. Chongson all the way. Easy 2 points para sa blue team. 15-8 ang ating talaan. De La Real, steal by Chongson. Rosano to Gabasa. Basket. Dura. Out of bounds. Miscommunication there para sa red team. Okay, timeout dito ang red team. Tingnan natin ang hadal ng red team. Time remaining 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game. Fisher score 17-8 in favor pa rin sa blue team. with the ball game. Ball return ng blue team. Luciano, pass to Gabasa. Pinasa loob. Reverse layup na ipasok pa yun. Yung number 18. 19-8. Favor pa rin sa blue. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng blue team. Number 23, Del Real, no good. Luciano, steal. From El Natuira, no good. Rebound by number 18. Gabasa. Johnson. Number 22, basket. 21-8. Del Real running shot, swak na swak by number 23, Del Real. Gabasa with the ball. Gabasa, pass to Chongson. Chongson attacking the basket and there's a foul. Pinasa sa loob and one basket count. May kasama pang foul by jersey number 1, Gabasa. Bonus shot para kay Gabasa, no good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to Del Real. To number 32, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 22. Steal by number 23. From the corner, 3, no good. Rebound. Chongson, pass to Gabasa. Bad pass nga lang yun. Number 20. And that's 8 seconds shot clock violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Chongson. May tanga ng bola. Pinasa loob. Fake. Chongson. Pass to Chongson. Chongson. High. Pen under. Basket is good. 25-10. Number 23. Pass to Gura. Hand off to number 10. Binigay kay number 32. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Gura. Number 20. Short. Luciano nagmamadali dito. 3 against 2. Back to Luciano. Basket. 27-10 in favor of the blue team. Gets that 3, no good. Binomba, and there's a foul. Number 22. Time remaining, last 49 seconds. Number 20 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by number 10 with a offensive rebound. Basket yan para kay jersey number 10. 27 and 12. Gabasa. Diniscarte. Number 23. Pass number 26. Fake. Fade away shot. No good. Uy, aliyo pala yun kay number 18. Number 23. Attacking the basket. Spin. Using the board. Wala. Uy. There's a foul. Time remaining. Last 9 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. Luciano from 3. No good. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score is 29 and 12 in favor of the blue team. Yan natin ng red team. Sabi sa comment. Tara, dito tayo. Okay, sorry. Shoutout mo tayo kay Prince. Hey, Prince, what's up? Ano pangalan ng kasama mo? Shoutout naman. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 29-12 in favor pa rin sa blue team. May concern tayo about the support. Pero the show must go on. Number 3. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Luciano. Thompson. Fake. Number 26. Basket is good. Pascual, spin. There's a foul. Del Real. Pass to Pascual. Jump shot. Papiso-piso lang. Si Pascual doon. 14-31 in favor pa rin sa blue team. Navarro. Pass to number 22. Luciano. Offensive foul by Luciano. Time remaining 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Del Real, pass to number 10, back to Del Real. Nagay kay Del Real. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 26. Thompson, all the way, basket. 8 minutes and 37 seconds.
Saan dyan?
Meron na doon. Ano lang ko?
Dito ano?
Yan sa pa. Ano ko?
Mukha natin yung tag machine.
Okay. Okay, back to the ball game. With the time remaining 8 minutes and 37 seconds. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Number 10 to number 10 at the post. Using the board, basket. Hand off to Chongson. Oy, Navarro, no good. And there's a foul. Number 61, Navarro. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Number 10. Pass to Pascual. Pascual, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. And there's a foul. Hindi ko makita pilid niya, sorry. On the free throw area, jersey number 10. Shot is good. Isa pa. Second shot is good. 33-18. Navarro. Pass to Chongson. Number 26. Oh, good steal by number 23, Del Real. 4 against 2. Pascual, na-slide doon. Navarro, Chongson with a layup. Basket. Mukhang madulas talaga doon sa area na yun. Ingat po tayo mga players. Number 10, Black. Del Real, 40-30, no good. Whoops, natapikan. Okay, back to the ball game. Outlet pass. Basket. 15 na lang ang hinahabol. Na. No ball. Uy, block there. Official timeout tayo. Parang lakas nun. Na okay lang siya. Ako, parang sakit nun. Ang lakas ng pagkabal daw, are.
Sab! Hindi, kaya niya mo lang.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Wala. Wala namin. Wala namin.
Navarro, may tangan na bola. Hey, no good. It's a foul. Pre! Thank you. Side lang. Thank you. Okay, back to the ball game. Oh! Block by number 10. 12 seconds to shoot para sa good. Fancy Braves rebound by Del Real. Ooh! Number 26. Whoa! What a nice pass by Martin to Navarro. Parang madalas talaga sa side ng red team. Number 3. Pass number 10. Number 10. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Mandatory substitution. Okay, back to the ball game. Chongson. Pass number 26. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Navarro. Number 26. Hand off to Navarro. Pass to the basa. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Number 6. Ura, jump shot, basket. It's good. 22-37 in favor pa rin sa blue team. Navarro, may tanga ng bola. Chongson, binigay. Steal by Gura. Number 6. Steal by number 10. Bad pass, steal by Gabasa. Ooh, basket by Martin. Time remaining 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Bola rito ng blue. Johnson to Gabasa. Number 10. Pascual, basket. Good. Rebound by number 6. Oh, and one by Martin. Shooting on the line, jersey number 26, Martin. Time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds. One shot para kay Martin. Basket is good. 42-24. 18-point lead para sa blue team. Pascual. Number 6, no good. Number 26, basket. Second shot para kay Martin. Basket is good. 20-point lead para sa blue team. Steal. Chongson nagmamadali. Ooh, what a pass. No good. Steal by Chongson. Pass to Martin. Alley-oop to Navarro. Ooh, 3-point by jersey number 10. 27-46. Gabasa. Wow, and Chongson. Chongson 4-3, no good. Basket by number 26, that is Martin. Number 96, no good. Rebound. Still there. Basket by jersey number 10. 29. Last 10 seconds. Chongson. Pass to Martin. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's the end of our first half. Official score 48-29 in favor of the blue team. Alright, magbabalik tayo at magkakat muna tayo for the meantime. Magbabalik po tayo sa ating Battle for Third dito sa Barangay Maytunas Basketball Tournament 2025. Hanggang sa muli para sa third quarter. 48 rather, lamang ang mga naka-blue.